So you found a job in data engineering, a Spark-related position throughout this coaching?
I don't know what was it was like magic. I put on my LinkedIn profile that I can do Apache Spark. it was helpful, yeah.
Can you see it?
That's cute.
Junior cat developer.
That's so cute. So Vlad, thanks for participating in the coaching program. I really enjoyed working with you. Thanks for your time and your energy. I think it was a lot of fun. So did participating in the coaching program also increase your confidence to put Spark on your LinkedIn and find a job and go through the interview and think that you are able to be a Spark developer?
Yes, yeah. Because I already did a couple of tasks on this program. I was more confident on interviews.
Is there any key learning you had in the program?
One of the most critical things is performance optimization. So understanding of how it works. It's quite complex, but yeah, it's really important.
Why did you choose this program over any other format which is available?
I consider Spark as a competitive advantage. I already knew a bit Python and Scale plus Spark, it's much more valuable on the market than just Python plus Pandas, for example.
So then, last but not least, was I able to answer your questions?
Lots of stupid questions, for sure. By the way, it was one of the reasons why I didn't take any other online courses, Udemy or Coursera. I was talking with a real human who has experience in that, this ability to ask anything almost any time. It was really valuable. Yeah.
So thank you very much again for participating. I really enjoyed working with you. It was a lot of fun. I really appreciate it. Like your energy throughout the sessions. We were laughing a lot, so it was fun.
Yeah,
thanks again.
It was really fun. Yeah. Danke schön.